Alright guys, we are at the Honda Super Meet in Irwindale at the Irwindale Speedway. Pretty good turnout. I'm going to walk around a little bit, record some of the cars, and they're doing drag races and stuff, so I'm going to try to get some good footage for you guys, so hopefully you enjoy.
I thought you said MR2.
No, I said MR2.
I want to put something up in the car, but is that too much hard?
around. We didn't even go that way.
So I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is sweat dripping down my face. It is super hot. I think we're gonna head out and get some McDonald's slushies or something because it's incredibly hot. It's like 110 or something out. Oh, we're dying.
That's probably it.
Alright guys, now we are on our way to finish filming the other video where I'll show you guys my headlights. So, kind of confusing, but you guys are going to see, you've already seen that, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, and I forgot to mention we're also going to be taking pictures. What? Ah! Alright, so car's at the spot. I just got done doing the headlight reveal from the last video. Now I'm going to take some pictures of the car because it looks pretty sick right now. Alright guys, I just finished shooting the two cars and making the video and whatnot. Alright guys, I just closed out the headlight video. So I think I have enough footage for this video. If I don't, I might put in some other stuff, or I might just end it now. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's kind of confusing right now. So, if you enjoy the video, drop a like down below. I believe this might be a little bit short, this video. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you liked the content and you're new. Yeah, if you're already subscribed, hit the bell notification. I am doing a new thing where you can subscribe. I'll be offering some cool stuff. If you subscribe, I will send you out like a Rice Gang sticker, You can also, I believe, the second option, I will respond to any comment you leave, and on Instagram, if you hit me up, I will coach you through like anything you need to do with the RSX, and you like want, you know, any questions answered. Basically, I'll be there, and yeah, all you have to do is subscribe. I think it's a monthly thing. So if any of that interests you, I'm also going to be doing like shout outs and like maybe giveaways and stuff. So like I said, if any of that interests you, go ahead, subscribe, and then hit the join button. It's a little blue button, and I have a couple different things there. You can read what each level does, and you can decide what you want to do. I'd really appreciate it. So go ahead and check that out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.